Tonight, opening up 4 Sun and Moon Unidentified Mines Dollar Tree packs, and now 4 Sun and Moon base set Dollar Tree packs, because issue on technical issues. Nothing good came out of the first one, as you can see. Time to open up the second one. Drowsy, Reverse Populos, so far pretty good, I guess. And Electric Energy. Alright, on to Pharaoh, Reverse Oranguru, which is rare, so that's good. Golbat and add card. Spearow, Incineroar, Water Energy, add card. And Alolan Grimer, Flamantis, and Grass Energy, add card. Alright, on to Unidentified Mines. Salandit, Gibble, and Recycle Energy, as well as add card. Next one. Wimpod, Reverse Metatite, Normalium Z Tackle, Barreling Blitz GX 200 plus, Pokemon Tool, okay, and another add card. 2 more to go. Gibble, nothing but reverses. Reverse Joltik, and Metal Energy, as well as add card. Last one, and there will be no review since there is nothing good we got. Cubone, Yanma, and Tranquil, an add card. Alright, that's all of it. That's 5 base set Sun and Moon packs opened, and 4 Sun and Moon Unidentified Mine packs open. Alright, you can just end it.